Hi everyone, I am Francine from Huawei Global Training Center. Today, let's continue to discuss OpenStack HIT component. First of all, let's get to know the definition about HIT. HIT is the main project on the OpenStack orchestration program. It's a service to orchestrate complex cloud application using a declarative template format through an OpenStack native REST API. To help us understand better, let's get to know some terminologies related with Swift. A stack. In HIT parlance, a stack is the collection of objects or resources that will be created by a HIT. This might include virtual machine, instance, networks, subnets, routines, ports, router, interface, security groups, security group rules, auto-scaling rules, and so on. HIT template. HIT uses the idea of template to define a stack. If you wanted to have a stack that creates two instances connected by a private network, then your completely would contain the definition for two instances, a network, a subnet, and two network ports. A native HIT template format, HOT, is evolving, but HIT also provides compatibility with the AWS Cloud Formattation template format. Short name is CFN, that so many existing cloud formatation templates can be launched on OpenStack. The HIT API component implements an OpenStack native RESTful API. This component processes API requests by sending them a HIT engine via AMQP. The HIT API CFN components provides an API compatible with AWS Cloud Formattation and also forwards API requests to the HIT engine over AMQP. The HIT engine component provides the mailing orchestration functionality. Receive API requests, then create source in OpenStack. This picture illustrates that the HIT components, HIT CFN tools, are cloud units are installed inside virtual machines image that are responsible for VM internal operation and configuration. HIT API CloudWatch is an AWS-compatible API to the HIT CloudWatch alarms and metrics. Resource. Resources are the specific objects that HIT will create or modify as part of this operation. It is the second of the three major selections in a HIT template. Infrastructure resource that can be described includes servers, floating IPs, volumes, security, groups, user ends, and go on. Now, let's take a look at the HIT architecture. When the end user sends instance creation request with including a template and parameters, the HITer API or HITer API CFN first verify the correctness of the template, then forwards API requests by sending them to the HIT engine via AMQP. One HIT engine, the request will be analyzed by a lot of types of resources, and each resource had relief OpenStack client, like a Nova client, Kingston client. Then the client sends requests to the service to the REST to obtain the relevant resource and complete the process. The HIT engine here is divided into three layers. The first layer is based on the template and input parameters to create a stack, which the stack is a combination of various resources. The second layer first that depends of various resources in stack, the relationship between stack and needed stack. The third layer is based on the analysis of the relationship, in turn called the variety of client serves to create variety of resources. Well, that's all for this section. Let's recap the main topics. Firstly, we briefly introduce the basic concept about HIT, the common glossary, and the key components. Then, we took a close look about HIT system architecture. Well, this course ends here. Thanks for watching.